Today I'm showing how to use a pharmacy counting tray and the two main ways to count pills, counting by 5 and counting by 3. This is a pharmacy counting tray. The flat surface is where you place the tablets or capsules. The channel here is where you move the pills once they are counted. And the pouring well lets you empty the pills back into the bottle without the spills. Start by pouring a small amount of medication onto the flat surface. A controlled pour keeps the workflow steady and reduces the counting errors. The first method is counting by 5. You move pills into the channel in clean groups of 5, like this. This method gives a clear structure and works well when the quantity isn't too large. The second method is counting by 3. This technique creates a faster, smoother rhythm because the sweep is smaller and easier to repeat. It's especially useful when working with capsules because capsules tend to roll and sleep more than tablets. Moving 3 at a time keeps them together better, gives more control, and reduces miscounts. So when the medication is slippery or when the quantity is high, count by 3 becomes more accurate and efficient. What do I mean by counting 3? Like this. 3. I just took 3 tablets. So for example, let's say we are counting 30 tablets. So I'm taking 3 tablets and counting by 10. 3 tablets, but I'm counting like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Adding more tablets. 8, 9, 10. So here I have 30 tablets. So this way, when you have like 30 tablets, 60 tablets, 90 tablets, 180 tablets, it's easier to count like this and it's much faster. For 30 tablets, you can also go with counting like 5 tablets. But for example, let's say 180, 200, you can just make it fast like by counting 3. And remember that both methods are valid. Use count by 5 when the pace is comfortable and the quantity is manageable. Use count by 3 when you want a tighter rhythm, when the medication is a capsule, or when you need more speed without losing accuracy, let's say. And at the end, always do one quick check. Move any extra pills back to the main area and confirm the final number. What do I mean? For example, you counted like this, 2 tablets. You're not sure about the number of tablets that you counted, right? So with the help of your spatula, take it back to the main surface and recount it. That's the full breakdown of the pharmacy counting tray and the two main counting methods. Use the techniques that gives you the most control and consistency. Now, if you would like to follow along with more pharmacy training, subscribing is appreciated. Bye bye.